How to fix if your laptop is not turning on. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I will guide you how you can fix if your laptop is not turning on. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, check for the power supply. Make sure that your laptop charger is plugged in and working, and look for any damage on the power cable or charger. If possible, try another compatible charger and check whether your problem can be solved or not. If that still does not work, then check for the battery. If your laptop has a removable battery, remove it, then connect the charger, then try to turn on your laptop without a battery. If it turns on, then there might be a fault in your battery. If that still does not work, then disconnect the charger and remove the battery. Now, you have to hold the power button for 15 to 30 seconds to drain all your residual power. Then again, reconnect the charger and try to turn on your laptop and check whether that will help you or not. If that still does not help you, if you have plugged in any USB devices or any other external drivers, make sure that you remove them all. Sometimes the external hardware can also cause the boot issue, so remove all of the external devices. If that still does not work, then you have to seek for the professional help. So take your laptop to a certified technician. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.